Have you heard about the Studio social system yet? It's super easy to drag and drop using over 20 of our different studios that are inside. So let me show you how easy it is to create a collage. So when you come in here, you're going to see all the different studios, and I'm going to simply click on the one with collage, and this is the one I'm liking. So all you do is click on it, find your images. We'll start with baby Logan. You can move them and resize them, and then I'll just pick the images for the other sides. Here's another one. Let's do the middle, and then one more. You don't need Canva, you don't need Photoshop, and then you can come down over here all the way down, and you can see all of the different things. So I already have Brandt photography on here, and we'll say baby Logan. It's newborn. There's different quotes you can do: tiny for a moment, loved for a lifetime, or we can actually, I can do a small tag, baby Logan here, and then come down. You could zoom in. We'll zoom in. And I don't think it kind of goes there. I feel like that would be I feel like we'll have to switch that photo. So let's pick a different photo. That's better. And then you download it. It's so super simple. It took me longer to explain it than to actually do it. If you want to learn more, go to thestudiosocialsystem.com.